Barbecue fam, today we're doing up a taco pie on the Z-Grill 702F, and it's so easy to do and a great way to use leftovers. Check this out. So we're going to be using a springform pan, and I have a smaller one. We're going to do a crunchy edition as well. But we're using flour tortillas in there, spray the bottoms with a little bit of cooking spray, and then we're going to build up layers, and we're building a taco pie. Use any kind of meat of your choice, vegetarian if you want. This is easy to do. I just cooked up some ground beef and a can of corn in there, and a can of Rotel with the green chilies, diced tomatoes, green chilies. Super easy. You can do this with chicken. Throw in some onions if you would like. I got some kids that don't really care for onions, so we're going without. Spray it. Don't want nothing sticking. And we're going to go with some Fritos. Get about an even layer there, and then we're just going to throw in ground beef, cheese. Oh, hell yeah. Now that the pies are ready for the pellet smoker, we're going to pop them in at 350 for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to pull them out, let them rest for at least 10, and then we'll pull these springform pans apart and cut into these pies. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh. Taco pie, crunchy or soft. Either way, these are gonna rock. Well yeah. Just gonna slice into this guy right here. It looks amazing. Oh yeah. Let's get a slice. Ooh, she's still warm. Super easy dish to make. This is awesome. Let's get a slice of this. Hot sauce, sour cream, guacamole, cilantro, whatever you want. Cheers, folks. Do this. So easy to do. 20 minutes, 350. Do it in your oven, toaster oven, smoker, grill. Raise it up on a rack, on a griddle. Do it. This is amazing. Oh, hell yeah.